welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and here on my YouTube channel, we focus on credit, finances, and money management. So today is actually Fix My Credit Friday. Now, if you are new to my channel, this is a segment where I take questions from one of my social media followers or one of my coaching clients, and I feature my answer here on YouTube. So one question that I do get quite often is, should I now be investing into the stock market? With everything going on with COVID-19, the stock market has been all over the place. It has had many ups and many downs, which is leaving investors really on edge. Now, whether or not you should invest into the stock market really depends upon your personal financial situation. But in today's video, I will talk about one group of individuals who should absolutely not be investing into the stock market. Now, before I jump into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my future videos are posted on YouTube. Now, the group of individuals who should not be investing into the stock market are those who do not have a short-term emergency fund. Now, a short-term emergency fund is basically a savings that's going to help cover those immediate unexpected emergencies, like a flat tire, a car insurance deductible after you get into a car accident, a house repair, a car repair, so on and so forth. Now, at a minimum, your short-term emergency fund should have at least $500 to $1,000 because that is usually going to be enough to cover those items that I did talk about previously. Now, if you are a homeowner or if you have a vehicle that's more expensive, you may in fact need more than this in your short-term emergency fund. So if you do not have a short-term emergency fund, then you need to start working on building one ASAP. So ideally, you want to build this into your monthly budget so that way you're actively saving and putting money away every single month. Now, I will put a link to a video that I did previously here and down below, which talks about the importance of having a budget. Now, once your short-term emergency fund is fully funded, then yes, you can consider investing into the stock market. But one thing that you should still be working on is building up a long-term emergency fund. Now, a long-term emergency fund is basically a savings that will help you cover your expenses in the event that you do lose your income, whether it is due to illness, furlough, or if you are laid off from your job. So ideally, you want to find a healthy balance in your budget, right, to work on building up your long-term emergency fund while also trying to invest and build wealth. Now, let me know down in the comment section below, where are you in your financial journey? Are you working on your short-term emergency fund, or are you working on your long-term emergency fund and trying to invest into the stock market? I would love to hear what you guys have going on. Now, as always, thank you so much for watching today's video. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.